Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage G, The Lion. The lion slowly made its way confidently through the jungle. He was the king of the jungle, and he knew it. The birds went silent, the trees froze, and the only sound was the dull thud of the lion's padded paws patting against the soft soil. Suddenly, the sky overhead darkened. A dull boom was followed by a flash of light that pierced the sky. The lion cowered. Even the king of the jungle was scared of some things. Questions. Where is the lion? Why was the lion confident? Why did the birds go silent? Suggest a similar word or phrase to replace froze in sentence 3. Why did the lion cower? Now let's check the answers. Where is the lion? The lion is in the jungle. Why was the lion confident? The lion is the king of the jungle. Why did the birds go silent? Well, two options here. We could say because they felt the lion coming, or we could say they sensed a storm coming. Suggest a similar word or phrase to replace the word froze in sentence 3. Here is the word froze. We could say stopped moving, or remained motionless, or stood still. Why did the lion cower? Because it was scared of or intimidated by the weather. Thank you for your time. How did you go?